Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you the top Samsung One UI 3.0 features after the software update to Android 11. So I recently updated my software to Android 11 and then Samsung One UI 3.0. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you the top features that you might need to know after this update. Alright, so having said all that, let's dive into it. So the first one, it's the light notification panel background. So to access that, you need to bring up your notification panel. As you can see right here, it's a light blurred background, as you can see right here. However, if I bring another device with an older One UI version, so as you can see, so if I try to bring up the notification panel, as you can see, so it's a little bit different. Then the other feature is about the volume style change. After the update to Samsung One UI 3.0, they changed the volume style. So if you press over there, you have this option, so that style comes up, and then you can just tap on any of those and then adjust accordingly. Then also you can also tap on the settings icon over there, and then you can access all of those. So once you access this, you can go ahead and change whatever you want to change. So this is the one with the One UI version. So that's how it looked like. So as you can see, that's the older version. So the other feature is about the YouTube picture in picture. So let me say I'm playing that video and then I minimize it, and as you can see, it's right here, the picture by picture. So with this update, you can easily increase on the size of this picture in picture. So you just tap on the edges of the video that is playing and then you increase. So as you can see right here, so you can increase the size of your picture in picture that is playing, as you can see, and you can move it from anywhere you want to move it, and if you want, you can still reduce the size, and that's it. Alright, so the other feature, so with this update, if you have an app that has a corresponding widget, so let me say I tap on my email and I want to add its widget, I just tap on the app and then I tap on the widget, and then I can easily add it onto my home screen. However, not all apps have widgets. So as you can see now, like this one doesn't have any widget. So instead of going into widgets right here and then tap on it and then you choose a widget, so you just need to go to your specific app, tap on it and then tap on the widget and then add the specific widget that you want to add. Another awesome feature is double tapping your screen, lock your screen and then double tapping to wake it up. So to access that, you need to go into your settings right there, and then you navigate to your advanced features, then look for motions and gestures and then toggle on, double tap to turn off screen, as you can see right there. So go ahead and tap it on, go ahead and toggle that on and then double tap to turn on screen. You can also go ahead and toggle that on. Alright, so then the other feature is a phone application where we have a new background for each of your calls. So to activate that, go into your call dialer and then tap on the three dot icon and then tap on settings, as you can see. So with settings, so the new added feature is called background. So tap on that. So as you can see right here, so whenever someone calls, you can either select a picture or a video to show when you make or receive those calls. However, you can go ahead and change the layout. As you can see, you can make the name and the number centered, or you can choose that one over there. So once you're happy, go ahead and also tap on the background and then choose a specific video that you want or a photo. So you can choose a video or a photo. So I'll choose a video right there, and then I'll say set as called background. Then the other interesting feature is about the other interesting feature is about the permission manager. So with permission manager, you can go into your settings and then tap on privacy right there, And as you can see, so this feature right here, tap on it, and with that feature it will show you how many, so it will show you how many apps are running, you know, are using your camera, that are using your microphone, as you can see right here. So you can tap on any of those, and as you can see, they will show you how many apps that are using, you know, your camera, and then you can tap on any of those, and you can easily ask every time, or you can deny, depending on what you want. So the other interesting feature is about notification history. So let me say maybe you received a couple of notifications, and then maybe you accidentally close all those notifications. So this feature I'm about to show you will easily show you the notifications that you dismissed, maybe by mistake, and you can easily retrieve them. So to do that, go into your settings, then look for, so go ahead and look for notifications, and then scroll all the way, and then tap on advanced settings. Then you look for notification history. So that is your notification history. So as you can see over there, you have all those notifications that are dismissed within the last 24 hours. So you can tap on that and see all those notifications over there. Maybe you have an important message that you didn't want to miss, so you can always check them from the notification history. Alright, then the other feature is about the dynamic wallpapers. So with dynamic wallpapers, so what you need to do, go ahead and pinch in the middle of your screen, then tap on wallpapers over there. So go ahead and tap on wallpaper services over there, then tap on dynamic lock screen, then tap on the settings icon. So as you can see right here, you have, you know, a couple more wallpapers that you can choose from. So initially we had a limited number, but now you have a variety. And once you're done selecting your dynamic lock screen wallpapers, go ahead and exit, and then double tap on your screen. So every time you wake your screen up, it comes with a new lock screen wallpaper, as you can see over there, and you'll be good to go. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, and I were able to enjoy these Samsung One UI 3.0 Android 11 features, if you did enjoy this, go ahead and like our video, share, and if you're new to our YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe, tap that little notification bell so that you're notified whenever I release new videos and new content like this. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.